If you feel you wanna do it, you gotta step right into it. An advisor just gave my friend. Hey, the line is different in my head. I'm a coward and I know it. In the corner, always playing it safe. Today I'm trying something else. I put my fears on the shelf, turn the voices down, and I'm safe and sound. And I know I'm walking the new path now.
Good morning, guys. It's 10:44. David actually had to go into work today, so that's where he is. My brother and Lily went and dropped Desiree off at work. Arabella has fallen asleep while drinking her bottle. You probably can't see her, but she's there, passed out. Sorry, my eyes itching today. I feel a little bit better than yesterday. My throat doesn't feel as swollen as it did yesterday, so that's good. But yeah, I just gave her a bottle and she fell asleep. And then in a little bit, I've got to go upstairs and clean up a bit. The dog got into the garbage last night, so I gotta go clean that mess up. And I gotta go mop the foyer front porch area. And yeah. And then I've got some people coming to pick up some clothes today, which is a good thing because we ran out of food. So hopefully I make enough money to get groceries to last till next week when David gets paid. But yeah. This little craphead right here decided to scratch Arabella on her head today. Hi, Liberty. Come on. Come on, Liberty. Yeah. That's my girl. So, yeah. I don't know when David's going to be home. They're trying to play catch up from all the days that it rained and they couldn't do any work, and then the days after it rained because the ground was so soggy. Like, South Carolina, we're basically on a marsh, which is like wetlands. And so when it rains, you're adding even more water to that, so then it becomes just straight up mud. So they're playing catch up right now as far as work goes. So he had to go in on a Saturday. But that's okay. That just means more money in his check. And we can always use more money. Ow, Liberty, stop. Because we're still playing catch up on bills. I was able to borrow some money from my dad, which got us kind of sort of out of a hole, but we're still kind of in a hole. But we're going to be paying him back slowly. Once we get catched up, we'll know how much we're going to be able to pay him back and when. Hi! You fall asleep for 5 minutes? Was that a quick nap? There she is. Just a quick nap? Is that all you needed? So, I think she is sick though because she's been kind of whiny this morning and definitely rubbing her ears a lot. So I'm thinking she's got what I have, which is like an ear throat cold. It's not really anything to do with your nose, it's just your ears and your throat. So, hi, baby. Yeah. You can come with Tia to clean? So I'm going to go take her upstairs with me when I go upstairs and put her in her high chair while I clean and mop and stuff. Hi, baby. I was going to do it yesterday and the day before, but I couldn't muster up the energy. Huh? Yes. So, It's Saturday. It's on the agenda for today, huh? So, ow, will you please stop doing that? That hurts, Liberty. Your nails are sharp. And you, I'm mad at you. I'm so mad at you, Bo. Go away. So, but that's what we're going to do for now. Not sure what's going to happen later. I think my mom's coming over. She said she was, but who knows? I don't know why she wants to come over today, but it is what it is, so. We're going to go get busy. Huh, BB? You ready to get busy? Ready to go clean? Yeah. So we're going to do, ready, set, go. Hey guys, it's 1:06. Arabella took a nap. We went upstairs and cleaned the floor. Yeah. She just ate lunch. She had mixed vegetables and peaches. Huh? Mixed vegetables and peaches. And now she's got the spoon. So she's a little happy camper. I'm heating up some pizza, a frozen pizza that we had. And she'll probably eat some of that too. Because she's a little chunky butt, huh? Her little chunky bum. Are you Tia's chunky bum? So, David has no clue when he's going to get off work. So, I thought he would know, but nope. Say he doesn't know. No, you can't have Tia's phone. Some people are going to swing by later on this evening and pick up some of the clothes I have for sale, so that'll help with getting some groceries and just pay for David's gas, because they did officially switch his pay to every 2 weeks instead of every week. So we're kind of scrimping by at this point. Yeah? So I'm trying to get all the clothes sold. One, because we need the money, and two, I'm getting tired of those stupid bags being down there in our laundry room, so. Ew. Cochina. Yeah, I heard that burp. You cochina. Cochina. Yeah. So, while she was napping, I'm going to set you guys down because I need to put my phone back on the charger. While she was napping, I was watching Army Wives. So I might put that on TV, or put the Xbox on TV and watch it through there while she plays or something. But this is where Bo scratched her this morning. You probably can't see it, but she's got little scratches on her side of her head. Because him's a butthole. Yeah, you're a butthole. Bad cat. Bad kitty. Bad kitty. Bad kitty. Yeah, he's a bad kitty. Yeah, it's him a bad kitty. It's him a bad kitty. Say bad kitty. But she loves him though. No matter if he scratches her or not, she loves him. Even though he's a little bad kitty, bad kitty. Bad kitty, bad kitty. Rah, 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 rah. He's a bad kitty, huh? Yeah. Hi, kitty. Say hi, kitty. Yeah. Don't bite. It's okay, sweetheart. Oh, it's okay. Him bit her hand. I doubt he actually like punctured her, but he bit her. Are you okay? Can I see it? Let me see your hand. Oh, there's a no. I can't tell if that's new or not. But I don't see any marks. So today's just not your day with the kitties, huh? Yeah, they're all buttholes. You're right. So anyways, that's what's going on. Not much. Just hanging out. Doing Tia and baby things. Tia and baby things. I'm gonna change her butt here in a minute, but anyways. Yep. It's kind of boring today because nobody else is here. Hey guys, sorry I forgot to end the vlog yesterday, but nothing much happened after that. Oh wait, yes, Arabella couldn't really sleep, so she started running a fever, and she said her first word, which was kitty. Kitty. So yeah. Other than that, we just were hanging out, watching TV and stuff. But don't forget to subscribe and leave us some comments. Remember, if you can't be nice, don't say anything at all. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Love you. Besos. Mwah.
If you feel you wanna do it, you gotta step right into it. An advisor just gave my friend